How would you like to eat healthy? Grab a bite of an apple and getting paid while you're doing this. Sounds good? Eating healthy and getting paid, guys. This is what I'm going to show you today and how you can do this. But before we go ahead and start this video, I'm going to ask you, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button on this right side of the video. It will be honor for me to have you on my channel, guys. I learn a lot from you as well, so I want you to be on my channel. It's gonna be an honor because I get your feedback and comments, and this is how I improve as well. So go ahead and click this subscribe button and the thumbs up. If you like the content, don't forget to click the bell notification so you can see all the videos coming up. And with no delays, let's go ahead and see today's video, guys. So what I'm going to show you today is a website called Berrycart.com. All the links listed below, guys, so you can get it from there. And what Berrycart, which is almost a brand new, is not long ago that it was launched, very recent, about 50,000 downloads so far on the application. So what you do with Berrycart.com, these guys make deals with big brands. So if you buy their healthy products or any kind of products they would like to promote there, once you buy it, you go back home, you take your receipt, you take the phone with the app, you scan the receipt so you have a proof, and automatically you're gonna get paid for the products that you qualify. Sounds good, guys? I mean, you do the purchase, right? You do the purchase already, you buy the products already, so why not getting some money out of it? So you get cashback offers just as good for your body as it is as you are for a wallet, organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, and more. You can download on the App Store or the Google Play through your phone, so you can go down and see. You can always check on the top here the coupon and deals just to see. If you click here, you're able to see what are the different products and deals are going on. They are also by category. Let's say, for example, you want to check the organic. You click on the you can click on the organic and you can view all the different products by the organic category, and you can see, let's say, for example, if you would like to get this organic peanut butter or coconut bars, you'll be getting 50-cent cashback. If you're getting the chicken vegetable soups, you're getting 125 cashback. And so this is great, guys, because you're gonna be doing the shopping anyways, so why not getting some money out of it? So how it would work, if you come again on the top after you see the coupons and deals, what I would like you to do is to click on how it works, and you can see here, you can discover the deals you are looking for, like as you can see here, find the coupons and deals. Then once you find these, you're gonna get all the shopping done on the shops that are available for these offers that are listed on these programs. And after you go ahead and buy the stuff, you're gonna need to use the receipt, guys. And once you have the receipt, you're gonna get your phone, and through the receipt you're gonna scan the receipt, so it will go through you the Berrycart. Sorry, guys. You're gonna go through the Berrycart.com app. When you download it, you're gonna put your information, so you're gonna have a profile there, and automatically all the money will be refunded to your account. Now, you may be asking a couple of questions that I want to make sure and make clear. At the moment, guys, if you go here on the frequently asked questions, you can see all the stores available, and also you'll be betting how much money you need to collect in order to get it. So at the moment, if you want to find the stores, if you go here, it's for the US. At the moment, it's going to be expanding a lot. This is going to be really, really hot, guys. So at the moment, if you go here, you can see what stores you're able to get it. You're going to find all the stores that are usually available for doing this. So let's see. Yeah, so how it works, you go here and you're able to scroll down and find all the stores that are available to get all the information. You can see it is Walmart, all this stuff, it's available for you to do it. You are able to withdraw. How do I get paid? Once you have $5 or more on your account, $5 or more, that's the minimum. You'll be able to redeem this either through your PayPal account, or you can get any kind of coupon cards or gift cards and so on, with a big list that you can get it from there. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. It's Berrycart.com. Very nice site. You can get money for eating healthy, because mostly it's for, as you can see, it's most organic food, vegan food, dairy food, soy free, nut free. It's most promoting the healthy products. So if you're already buying all this stuff, why not getting some money out of it? the only limitation at this point, guys, but just keep an eye on it because it's going to expand fast, like a very similar content I showed you not long ago, a couple of weeks ago, on how you can do something similar. And it expanded to Europe and it's going to more countries as well. So just stay put. If you are in the States, you can start using this very fast, like now, or download the app and start an account and start doing shopping by today as well. So if you're in the rest of the world, just stay tuned because more countries will be announced soon. You can see everything in the frequently asked questions. Download the app, make sure you have the receipt, and you're gonna get paid out of it. I know this is not gonna make you rich overnight, guys. As always, my #1 recommendation from all around the world on how you can make money, passive income from the comfort of your house is gonna be listed on my description below. So go ahead, guys, and find everything through there and start using it today, and you're gonna make a lot of money by just doing this process. As always, thank you for watching. If you find the content of this video good, don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, start making money today, follow my methods, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy the day.